Bienvenue. Welcome back to French class. Today, we're completing your French conjugation knowledge. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to conjugate IR and RE verbs, the other two French verb families. Combined with ER verbs, you'll be able to conjugate any regular verb in French. This is huge. Why is this so important? Because with these three patterns, you have complete control over French verbs. You can express any action, to finish, to choose, to sell, to wait, literally everything. This is the lesson that completes your conjugation foundation. Now here's great news. IR and RE verbs are actually simpler than ER verbs. Once you know ER verbs, these are easy. The patterns are very similar, just different endings. I'm going to show you exactly how they work. Ready? Allons-y. Let's go. All right, let's start with IR verbs. Remember, French has three verb families based on their infinitive endings. ER verbs you already know, and now IR and RE verbs. To finish. Finir. Finir. See that IR ending? That's an IR verb. Now let's conjugate it. Remove IR and add new endings. Remove IR from finir, you get fin. Now add IR endings. I finish. Add IS for je. Je finis. Je finis. You finish. Add IS for tu. Tu finis. Tu finis. He finishes. Add IT for il. Il finit. Il finit. We finish. Add ISSON for nous. Nous finissons. Nous finissons. Notice the double S in ISSON. You finish plural. Add ISEC for vous. Vous finissez. Vous finissez. They finish. Add ISENT for ils. Ils finissent. The pattern is IS, IT, ISESE, ISEN. Pro tip. Notice nous and vous forms have double S, ISSON, ISSE. Let's practice more IR verbs. Choisir, to choose. I choose. Je choisis. Je choisis. You choose. Tu choisis. Tu choisis. We choose. Nous choisissons. Nous choisissons. Réussir, to succeed. She succeeds. Elle réussit. Elle réussit. They succeed. Ils réussissent. Ils réussissent. Grandir, to grow. The child is growing. L'enfant grandit. L'enfant grandit. Remplir, to fill. We fill the glass. Nous remplissons le verre. Nous remplissons le verre. Réfléchir, to think, to reflect. I think about the problem. Je réfléchis au problème. Je réfléchis au problème. See? Same pattern for all IR verbs. IS, IT, ISSN, ISSN. Once you know this pattern, hundreds of verbs become easy. Now let's learn RE verbs. These are even simpler. To sell. Vendre. Vendre. That RE ending means it's an RE verb. Let's conjugate. Remove RE, you get vendre. Now add RE endings. I sell. Add S for je. Je vends. Je vends. You sell. Add S for tu. Tu vends. tu vends. He sells, nothing added for il, just the stem. Il vend. Il vend. We sell, add ons for nous. Nous vendons. Nous vendons. You sell, plural, add ez for vous. Vous vendez. Vous vendez. They sell, add ent for ils. Ils vendent. Ils vendent. The pattern is s nothing, ons, ez, nt. Pro tip: RE verbs are the simplest. The ill form has no ending, just the stem. Vend. That's it. And notice ons and ez, just like ER verbs. Let's practice more RE verbs. Attendre, to wait. I wait. J'attends. J'attends. We wait for the bus. Nous attendons le bus. Nous attendons le bus. Répondre, to answer. You answer. Tu réponds. Tu réponds. He answers the question. Il répond à la question. Il répond à la question. Entendre, to hear. They hear music. Ils entendent de la musique. Ils entendent de la musique. Now let's compare all three verb types. I speak, ER verb. Je parle. Je parle. I finish, IR verb. Je finis. Je finis. I sell, RE verb. Je vends. Je vends. Common mistake alert. Students mix up the patterns. Remember, ER uses E, IR uses IS, RE uses S. For je forme, parle, finis, vend. Okay, practice time. Let's test your knowledge of all three patterns. Conjugate finir for muse. Pause now. Answer, nous finissons, with double S. How did you do? Conjugate vendre for il. Try it. Answer, il vend. No ending added. Perfect. Now all three. I speak, I finish, I wait. Pause and try all three. Answers, je parle, je finis, j'attends. Excellent. Let's practice complete sentences using all three types. We finish our homework. Nous finissons nos devoirs. Nous finissons nos devoirs. They sell bread. Ils vendent du pain. Ils vendent du pain. You choose a book, informal. Tu choisis un livre. Tu choisis un livre. I wait for my friend. J'attends mon ami. J'attends mon ami. If you got 3 right, you've mastered French conjugation. You know all 3 patterns. All right, let's recap everything. Today you learned IR verbs with the pattern IS, IS, IT, isons, isses, isent. The nous and vous forms have double S. That's unique to IR verbs. You learned RE verbs with the pattern S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. The IL form has no ending, just the stem. You now know all 3 French verb families. ER verbs, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. IR verbs, IS, IS, IT, isons, isses, isent. RE verbs, SS blank, ONS, EZ, ENT. With these 3 patterns, you can conjugate any regular verb in French. Look at what you've achieved. You have complete conjugation mastery. You can express any action in French: speaking, eating, finishing, choosing, selling, waiting, everything. This is massive progress. You're really speaking French now. Your homework: conjugate 3 verbs completely. 1 ER, 1 IR, 1 RE. Write all 6 forms for each. Then create 6 sentences using different verbs and pronouns from all 3 families. Say them out loud. Comment your best sentence below. Next class, we're learning French shopping phrases, practical French you can use immediately. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work. You're a French conjugation master. À bientôt.